I invite you to stand by because you are about to experience a demonstration of the down and dirty, hard-charging power aerobatics known to man, which come as a result of Sean's more than 22,000 hours of combined fixed wing and rotary wing flight time. Sample of what it's capable of. Tumbling skyward, watch closely now as Sean performs a forward flip in the Oracle Challenger 3. Straight into ground and a half roll puts Sean into the inverted recovery. Then as he makes his way back to air show center, slowly rolling his way back to upright, Sean is going to return and show you the maneuver which he calls the double hammerhead. Starting 20 feet above the ground, and a shoulder roll to the right. Now nose firmly vertical, and once he's at 0 forward airspeed, hard full left rudder, as Sean completes not one, but 2 consecutive hammerhead turns. Another inverted recovery takes Sean away from the crowd as he sets up to show you another forward flip. Once he completes this flip, we're going to try to reach Sean live in the cockpit. Shawnee Tucker, are you with us?
Oh, sweet.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, so far, Shawnee Tucker and the one-of-a-kind Oracle Challenger 3. Well, at this time, I would like to recommend that you get on your feet and get your cameras ready. Direct your attention to the show line in front of you, and you will notice that there are 3 sets of poles out there. Suspended between each of those sets of poles is a ribbon. Those ribbons are only 20 feet above the ground, and they are apart. Right there you saw Sean as he started with his wheels only 5 feet above the ground as he went underneath that second ribbon. Now diving down, he is trying to find ribbon number 3. Once in sight, he dives on the top of the right out now, the high G pole to vertical. Sean is going to tumble skyward and then make his way from left to right and prepare to show you the world's smallest inside loop. We call this a alley-oop. determination that the show line is obstruction-free and the winds are going to cooperate. So he is going to make an attempt at slicing all three of those ribbons in one single pass in three separate flight attitudes. So right now, almost 2,000 feet above the ground, he pulls over the top, dives his way down, looking for 220 miles an hour, stopping 18 feet above the ground. Right now, he's going to roll into right knife edge flight through ribbon number 1, left knife edge flight through ribbon number 2, and inverted to shred that third and final ribbon. Maneuver performed by no one else in the world today. That is Shawnee Tucker's triple ribbon cut. Only Oracle offers hardware and software engineered to work together. Complete and integrated systems from Oracle simplify enterprise IT while delivering hardware and software engineered to work together. Now completing the giant Jimmy Doolittle outside loop and tumbling skyward in the maneuver which he calls the Tucker Upper. Sean is going to return. Again, diving down to 230 miles an hour. 20 to 25 feet above the ground, the nose comes up, 1.75 outside snap roll. Sean in the climbing knife edge flight, which we call the slider. And one more time, he's going to flip this aircraft into red, but first, what he calls the upright frisbee turn. Essentially turning the aircraft 360 degrees while losing exactly 400 feet of altitude, and in no time letting those wings bank in either direction. Again, ladies and gentlemen, keep your cameras at the ready because Sean is about to turn inbound for his low altitude, low speed photo pass, and while he is in that pass, we're going to try to reach Sean one last time live in the cockpit. Now he pulls that throttle to idle, slips this aircraft down. Sean D, you are on.
Okay, my pilot's fine. You're my dear, good, happy, passionate friends at Dayton, Ohio. This is the team of Oracle Flight.
Sweet.
Okay, sure, give me a wave. Okay, everybody in the VIP.
Damn.
Hey, veterans, thank you so much, ATE. Thank you so much, Cuba. It's about sharing the magic. All my friends at Team Oracle. That's right, baby. Give me a wave. Take that to the right day. Good luck, America.
And now, ladies and gentlemen, Sean is going to ease that throttle forward and roll his way around and return to show you the final maneuver of this afternoon sequence. This is called the Harrier Pass, named in honor of the awesome power and capabilities demonstrated by the United States Marine Corps 88B Harrier. What Sean is going to now do is roll his way around and return, and then, while using only 70% of his available horsepower, stand this aircraft on its tail and bring it to a hover in front of you. Ladies and gentlemen of Dayton, showing you why he is considered to be one of the very best of all time. Put your hands together one final time for Shawnee Tucker and the one-of-a-kind Oracle Challenger 3. Sean is the former winner of the United States National Advanced Aerobatic Championship Trophy. In addition, Sean is the first performer to ever win both the Bill Barber Award for Air Show Showmanship and the Art Scholl Memorial Showmanship Award in the same year.